Hey guys, what's up? I got like music today. I got like, this is like an absolute banger of a song. That's why I added it. I just kind of wanted to. So hey guys, what's up? We're here. We got it. We're good. Look at that. Oh, do we have? Oh man. All right, cool. Let's see here. Can I manage this from here? Hi guys, how's it going? Supposedly, what is this called? Whatever that, yeah, whatever. Hello. Supposedly, Streamlabs chat, like, works on, oh wait, is it actually working? Yo, it does work, let's go. Oh, that makes me happy. Okay, cool, we have chat. How's it going, guys? Where's the sand? I will get there eventually. Is the music too loud or is it good? Are we good, guys? Are we good? I think we're good. I don't know. Struggling to make a Noida copy with SDL and C++. You know, that's interesting. Alright, is the music good volume, guys? Or is it too loud, too quiet? I don't know. Guess we'll see. Oh, man. Okay, cool. We need sand. I'll add sand then. Sorry, I'll add sand. Okay, we'll add sand Undertale. Alright, yeah, we'll add sand Undertale. Yeah, look at this. So we have the water. We have water. So my laptop charger broke and it can't write bad code anymore. You know? That's, yeah. When will I add mobs? Well, you see, we're a few steps behind there. We're trying to add like some other stuff. Hi, Mr. Purr. Oh, guess what, guys? Guess what? I got monetized on YouTube, and I also got became the whatever that thing's called on Twitch, right? So, affiliate. My brain isn't quite working right. Add nuclear bombs. I actually do want to do that, or not like nuclear bombs necessarily, but I do actually want to add like explosives. So now you guys can give me money, which is pretty cool, but also I can give you ads, which is also cool. Ads guys, ads, not anything else. All right. Money go Burr, let's go. Yeah, so if you guys ever want to watch some ads, just let me know and I can play them for you. I don't know if you get ads at the very beginning or not, but us watching his stuff is now actually helping him. I know, right? You guys can help me. It's pretty cool. But anyway. Oops. Oh boy. Okay. Well, that's fun. Look, I don't know all these. I don't know anything about explosives and guns. Okay, I'm gonna be honest. But yeah, no. So last night I did a stream where I tried to add block in world interaction, and it works somewhat, but not really. So yeah. So we're gonna need to fix that today. If I don't really remember like what I did yesterday, if I'm being honest. Have you committed the water and block breaking changes to your GitHub? So the GitHub is gonna be updated when I do. Oh, by the way, I'm not going to play music this entire time. I'm just kind of doing it from the beginning. So, the GitHub gets updated whenever I release a video. But Patreon members have early access to the code after each stream. Maybe when I remove a random cubic meter of water from the ocean. Look, we have a few bugs that we need to fix, okay? Add sand. I can add sand. Do you guys want me to add sand real quick? You want me to go on a tangent and add sand? Here, I can do that. Let's do that. Let's add sand, okay? Alright. What is this? What am I doing? Give me a second. Sprites, block mapped up that. Not gonna lie, the water's cool. Thank you. Alright. Okay, so here we go. Here's our block map, and there's so much empty space. Okay. Oh, this is so bad. Alright, we're gonna merge these layers here. There we go. Now it's all one layer. That's so much better. This is such an unorganized. No. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna pull this up real quick. I just gotta download it. Where is this? Versions. They're trying to Twitch. I don't know what graphics library I'm using. I am using OpenGL. I don't know why the YouTube one is further behind. I don't question these things. I don't know how this works. We have good news. Okay. We're gonna do Open Archive. Okay, so assets. Yeah, I mean, hey, I don't know a whole lot of what I'm doing here. Let's just get sand here. Okay, there we go, guys. We got sand now. Whoops, I gotta move it over here. Okay, so that's sand, and we can export this. Oh, you've got to be kidding me right now, really? There's that many water. Yes, there are 32 frames of water animation. All right, so we actually have chatters now. So what that means is I may not be able to read all your guys' chats, and I'm sorry. I'd love to, but I think you can. I don't actually know how any of this works, right? Because I just got monetization, but why you choose one canvas instead of separate files? Because the way that these things work is you have to you only have so many texture slots, and we have way too many blocks, and we have to render every single block type at once. And so I just use it all in the same texture instead. I also need channel mods. I do need channel mods, but yeah, no, you guys can. I think you guys can do super chats and stuff too, if you want to support me and get your message out. I don't know. I don't know if I'm supposed to advertise these things. Okay, I'm new to this. I'm new to making money off of YouTube. Alright, so now if we go to blocks, then we can add a new block. Block. This is actually a solid block. Look at this. We don't have to do anything complicated to add this for once. Let's go. We just do sand. I want to be mod. Okay. Well, I think you were just spamming the chat earlier, so I'm gonna be honest. 0 1 2 3 4 4 0 to 5 1. You don't need to advertise them. If people want, they can. Yeah, I know that. You could have separate texture files for each block and then combine it. I am planning on doing that, but not yet. Finish the game. Would you add multiplayer? I do want to add multiplayer. It's going to be very difficult to do, so it's not going to happen anytime soon, but sand equals 14. Okay, there we go. So we got sand now. No, you're good. You're good, Chattiest Gaming. I don't know. I'll figure out all that stuff eventually. Do you have any tips? I have many tips. Alright. If you have... Okay. I don't know. Add realistic sand physics. So I will do that as well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add that when I add block updates. That's going to happen in the future. I don't know when yet. We'll see, though. I want to add some major features first before I start doing that kind of stuff. Alright, what am I doing here? What am I doing? So we have sand. I guess we just need to actually make sand generate now, eh? So what we're going to do is say, I guess for now, just temporarily, we have this is greater, if this is greater than 10. So if it is equal to noise y, ooh, where did you learn to start this project? I don't know. I've been doing Minecraft stuff for such a long time. Side tangent off into particle sand physics. Dude, I'm gonna have a stroke if I try to do that. Falling blocks. I'll do falling blocks when I add world, block updates. We're not quite there yet. Alright, grass block, dirt block. So I guess what we need to do is say, if the start y is... So if it's on the surface, then we could do if y plus start y is less than, or no, sorry, is greater than water level +3, then we can set it to grass block, and else we can set it to sand. So this way, what's going to happen is the bottom 3 layers are going to be sand. So there's going to be 3 layers of sand. Maybe we'll make it 2 layers of sand. I got to do a clean build, otherwise it's not going to work. Join the Discord, sweet. How hard was it to get into C++? It wasn't too bad. Erase. It was like, okay, I guess for me it was like a little bit weird because well, like I've been doing a lot of like C# and stuff. There we go. Oh, there's some problems with this. There's a lot of problems here, but it is sand. Here, I'll fix it. Don't worry. So we should make it less sand. But anyway, so I was doing C# for a while, and then now I'm doing C++. So I just kind of went to like learncpp.com and just kind of started learning from there. Alright, so sand isn't going to work too well with the world features, huh? So we're going to need to fix that as well. Ooh. Look, I don't want to talk about all the strange things that are going on here. Oh, you know what? What in the world? See, it reloads this chunk. Well, I'm guessing it... Wait, hold on. Yeah, no. So, yeah, whatever. We'll figure it out. Sorry. Alright, let's fix these world features here. And then we also need to make it so that if this is greater than 10... is greater than y plus start. Wait, what? Well, y plus. No. Noise. Whatever. I'll do that then. I'm Twitch now. Sweet. Transform the leaves into sugarcane. True. I should add sugarcane. That'd be kind of cool. I don't know. I'm getting very off track because we're supposed to be adding world interaction. The stream breaks. Uh-oh. Oh, my brain broke, sorry. The stream breaks, let me know, and then I can try and fix this. Okay, so dirt block, stone block. So now what we're going to need to do is say if y plus... Okay, yeah, we need to do noise y. Also, we can switch this to noise y. If noise y is greater than water level +1... then we do dirt block, and else we do sand. Boop. Okay. Hello, no name. Hello, Tilts. We're a huge fan of yours. Thank you. Alright, so here's the thing about that. The sand's a little bit strange. Love your work. Thank you, no name. Yeah. How are you guys doing today? I didn't get to ask you that yet. I don't know why. I didn't ask you. Alright. So now I am asking you. That sounded rude. Alright, this is a little too much sand, though, I feel. Well, I don't know. I think we're fine. Whatever. And that actually means that now we have sand at the bottom of the ocean. Which I think there's usually gravel, but that's alright. Hi, Damien. Add JSlat Minecraft. What? I'm gonna do a collab with JSlat. I'm sure he'll accept that. When I add multiplayer, I'll hit him up. You guys, I gotta make sure to do that too. We gotta be like, yo, JSlat, let's play my Minecraft clone together. Sand is good enough. I agree. I'm not doing any more with that. We added sand. Why some of the dirt doesn't have the grass? Because, right, look, so right here, this was affected by cave, so that's why it doesn't. Well, that's why it's not grass. It hasn't even added the plane yet. I'm working on it. Look, it's not my fault. Oh yeah, whoops, I forgot about the world features. That was what I was gonna do. World features. Water level +1. So we gotta do... We're kind of doing all this stuff already. If it's in water. And then we gotta do another... Actually, wait. If it is less than water +1. If it's in water or on sand. Made all that from scratch. Yes. Okay. Well, we messed that up. Great. +2. Okay. How's it going? Pretty good. How are you doing? Adding corrosion, temperature. I am definitely doing that. Yeah. You should put a different seed. We're tired of this one. You're tired of this seed. So here's the thing, right? I don't have a seed system. So I would have to change it for absolutely everything. Y'all, development takes time. You can't just add 100 things. Hey man, look, I get it. I get it. You're excited, and I don't blame you. Oops. Sorry. So I update one update on GitHub. I update on GitHub when the video comes out, but why is this hitting? Listen. Oh, okay. Sorry. So, but Patreon members get access to the code right after the stream. All right. So, okay. There we go. We added sand now. Sand is good. Sand is done. I forgot to actually notify people in the Discord, which is really funny. So we're gonna do added sand. You need to think of a horror game idea, because then a game jam start. Added sand. Oh, by the way, you guys should join the Discord, right? Because once we get to 100 members, we're gonna host a mini game jam. So you guys should join that, and we could do that. That'll be fun. Do you think it's worth going to Linux to do C++ development? I mean, if you're saying just for C++ development, I don't think so, because I'm doing C++ development just fine on Windows. If you're developing for Linux, like specifically Linux applications, then sure. SRAM, do you need to okay, so I'm using noise, not like a random function, so I would need something else. It's not making sense because you need to redistribute your code under MIT. Huh? Is Mac okay for development or Windows? I think either is fine. I don't really know much about Mac development. I'm already in the DC. Pretty cool. Yeah, once we hit 100 members, we're gonna do a little game jam on there. All right, so this is cool. So the sand is working. So we need to fix the world generator. Or yeah, whatever. We need to fix this stuff because right now it does this. Well, actually, you guys can't see it very often, but you can see it sometimes. Sometimes. So, what I'm gonna need to do is I need to fix this. Let's actually look into it, because I don't really remember like what I did. I don't remember what I programmed. I was tired during the last live stream, so we don't talk about that. But yeah. Alright, so the first thing that I notice, if the code on Patreon isn't licensed under OSS license, it doesn't matter. Well, the code on Patreon is kind of just like, I literally just upload a zip file. I don't know. Man, I keep banging my microphone. Would you make a Corsa tutorial? I want to do that, but as you can probably tell by my code, yeah, I'm not good at C++. So the first thing I notice is that, like, right now I'm destroying all this stuff. I'm destroying the VAOs and, like, all the meshes and everything, and I'm, like, remaking them from scratch. I feel like this probably isn't the greatest thing ever. Yeah, I'm pretty sure MIT allows you to redistribute it, if I remember correctly. I don't know. GL bind buffer. Wait, do I need to do bind vertex array? GL bind vertex array main VAO. Use ChatGPT. There you go. Wait, I forget how this works. Yes, okay, we're good now. Alright, so and then we need to bind the buffer. This is not good. Port it to Vulkan. Alright, I'll do Vulkan someday, maybe. Bind buffer main VBO. So now we need to like bind all these buffers. So like right now we're deleting them and remaking them for some reason. I don't know why I decided to do that. It was such a stupid idea. So we're not going to do that anymore. Wait, is it possible to do this but with C#? I was doing it in Unity in the past. I'm gonna copy and paste this code down here, and then we're gonna just like heavily modify it. Uh-oh. Ooh, that's not where we want it to be. Wait, what is this? Update block. What in the world are we doing? Why are we setting ready to true 2 times? What is this code? We named the game in the end. Yes, I will, I will rename the. I should probably actually do that like now. Like, it's probably not a good idea for me to have that there. C++ is more optimized than Java? Yes. Because C++ is a compiled language and Java is not. GL gen. So we don't need to generate new ones. We just need to bind it, and then we need to buffer the data like this. And then buffer this as well. And then that should be it. We don't need to do any of this because that's already done. So we don't need, so we just need to bind the buffer. Like, I should say, yeah. We just need to buffer the new data, and then we should be good. So if we do this, bind water VAO, buffer the data, boop, and then get rid of this, buffer the data, get rid of that, and we should be good to go. And that should hopefully stop it from having strokes or something. Oh, thank you for the sub. Wait, did that not come up? I should have Twitch alerts. Thanks, Delta DCS, for the sub, for the Twitch sub. Why? Alright, so it didn't quite work. Imagine making something like this in Python. Ugh. I just didn't hear it. Oh. Oh. Ooh, let me try and fix that. So it did come up, it just didn't play a sound. Oh, thanks for following. Wait, why is that working but not the Twitch sub? That doesn't even make any sense. Looks right, the sub came up. Okay, cool. So now we can make chunks, all the chunks disappear, but the water doesn't. So we're definitely breaking something so bad. Ban him for X-ray. I know, guys, I'm hacking. Oh no. Wait, the billboard blocks also work. It's literally just the solid terrain that doesn't. What is happening? I don't know. Okay, what did I do here? What is it doing? Oh, I know what I'm doing wrong, guys. We're never resetting the triangle numbers. How do I do that? Or not, how do I do that? What is this called? I meant num solid triangles. What did I name this? Num triangles. Main. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. And then we just need main. Wait, what did I call this? Main indices, right? Main indices. What did I call it? What did I call this? Solid indices. Indices. Main. Oh, it's spelled wrong. That is so awesome. Add ors. I'll do that. Yes, I do know that C++ was made in, yeah, C++, whatever. Main. Alright, the chat's moving too fast. I'm not going to be able to. Yeah, I know, there's 54 people on YouTube right now. I can't read everybody's chats. There we go. Okay, the flashing issue's gone now. So we fixed that. That's good. There are many other issues, of course. When I get my hand, you're adding X-ray when I get the source code. All right, bet. All right, so we just have to do this for the rest of them now. So that should be easy though, because we already made it work. So we can just do that now. All right, that should work. Whew. All right, so now we should be able to break in this direction. I just saw it flash. Scuffed my mod loader. I'll add features that can actually be modded, and then I'll add modding support. I do want to do that though. That is a plan. Okay, so we're still occasionally getting flashing, which is kind of weird. Should I add particles? Yeah, I'll do that. Why are we getting flashing? Why is this happening? I don't get it. How easy would it be to add a crosshair? I don't know. Why are there 2 semicolons here? Okay. That's fine. That'd be a good time to insert ads. YouTube is trying to get me to play ads for you guys. Please don't spam the chat. Add ray tracing. I'll do that. Add a Minecraft. Guy, yeah, I'll add Minecraft. Let's do it right now. I'm gonna add Minecraft. I'm adding Minecraft to Minecraft, guys. That Mayan indices typo is hurting my OCD. Look, I know. I gotta change that. I'll change that right now. I don't know why the Minecraft launcher is having a stroke again. It always does that. Alright, here we go. I'm adding Minecraft. Any tips for people trying to make a Minecraft clone? Learn C++, or yeah, whatever. Learn whatever language you're making it in before you try and do this. Unlike what I'm doing. Like, try and actually get used to the language first. Alright, we're gonna renew. I'll fix it right now. Entire solution. Preview. There we go. I fixed it. We're good now. These add pizza? Alright, I'll add pizza for all you Italians out there. Oh, wait, why is Minecraft open? Forgot about that. Wait, why did it full screen Minecraft? Alright, here we go, guys. We're playing Minecraft for the next 2 minutes. Doing Minecraft. So yeah, this is my Minecraft clone, guys. This is my Minecraft clone. I hope you're... Oops. Uh-oh. Did it break? Aw, man. Are we good now? Hi, Fiddle. There you go. This is my Minecraft clone. Dude, why is it breaking everything? Oh, no. Okay. Minecraft broke the stream. So, that's cool. Is it back now? Is it working? Okay, it's back? Good. Alright. Sorry, this is the worst stream. I thought yesterday's stream was bad, man. You're the happiest C++ developer I've ever seen. How? It's called I write bad code and I don't care that it's bad. People are sending emojis. I don't know how that works. Alright, so guys, mine is obviously so much better. Oh, you know, this debug menu has been hidden this entire stream, by the way. That's really funny. Because as you can see, the FPS... Actually, I have VSync on, so... Do you stream every day? I do not. I wish I could, but I have, like, work. I have, like, a job and stuff. So, yeah. Maybe collision would be a next good step. Yes. Collision? I don't know. I'll run some polls and stuff. Spec, yay. Yeah, no, you see, I'm still at the stage where I can be happy while developing C++ code. Yeah, give it a year. Alright, so... What are we doing? Okay, so we have we should probably start fixing some of these issues. Wait until he learns what money is. Yeah, I know. I need to make money. I need a job. I actually do have a job, but, you know. I made $7 off of YouTube so far, guys. So I think we're good. So we have many issues, some of which I'm not going to fix yet. But what we do want to fix is the fact that it doesn't work in negative chunks. Like you can see, it just straight up doesn't function. It actually breaks blocks in other chunks if I try to go there. So we're going to need to do... No way a C++ developer has a job. It's not a job that has anything to do with C++, though. I wish, but no. Well, actually, it'd probably be better not. Alright. So, let's fix that. And to do that, we're going to need to do math. So, I know math is spooky scary, but we'll get there. We'll get there, guys. Don't worry. Don't panic. Would you call yourself a YouTuber now? Yeah. Oh, man. Is it working yet? Oh no. Alright, I think it should be fine. Is it fine? Is it back? Wait till you learn about linear algebra. Guys, don't worry. Okay, are we good? I think we're back now. Hello? Hi, guys. Time to switch to Tux Paint. Alright. Yeah, Photoshop is doing a terrorist attack on the stream. I don't know what's going on. Ah, no. Only Twitch crashed. Well, yeah, alright, cool. Alright, so we're back now, I think. Alright, so here's what's happening, right? So let's say we're getting like 16. Right now what it's doing is it's just divided by 32. And then getting rid of the decimal. So this would just end up being 0, right? And so this works in the positive direction, because say then we're in block like 48 divided by 32, that just becomes 1 because it rounds down. However, here's the problem, right? Thanks for the follow. Oh man, I think it's broken. Wait, is the stream actually just dead right now? But so here's the problem. If we do -8, for example, divide that by 32, Twitch still not working? Oh, what the heck? Why? Man. Alright. -8 divided by 32. This would end up being, what is this? This would round down to 0 still, because even though, because this ends up being -2.05, but we just get rid of the decimal. So it ends up going up to the 0th one, even though it's supposed to round down. So what we need to do is we need to actually, mute this guy. I don't know how to actually mute people, I'm going to be honest. I'm putting you in timeout for 5 minutes. So, there you go. Restart the stream. Hi, always Damien. No, I just timed him out. I didn't ban him. Is it still broken? Oh man, it is. What the heck? Okay, there we go. I think we're good now. Are we good? Is it back? Alright, whatever. We'll figure it out. No, he got muted for 5 minutes. Alright, sorry. So what we're going to need to do is we need to add a condition, because it needs to work differently if it's in the negative chunk. Oh yeah, if it's in the negative, negative chunk. So for this chunk X, this actually needs to be, we actually need to do a check. We have to say if result pos.x is less than 0, then, or sorry, like greater than or equal to 0. And then if not, then we need to do, I need blocks. Then we need to do result pos.x divided by planet chunk size. But we need to floor in. I'm pretty sure that if you do floor, it's still going to round down though. That's my problem. I don't know how it works with negative numbers, if I'm being honest. But what we can do is just subtract 1 from it. Like that. And that should just work. Y, Z, Y, Z, Y, Z. Rose programming is too powerful. I was Damien. When are you going to replace the I will do that at some point. Also, somebody just did something. I don't know what they did. Did somebody, that was like something cool. That wasn't like a normal, that wasn't like a follow or something. I don't know what that was though. Alright, so we did this. So this should work, maybe? Got a big brain. Why not just use round F? I think I have a reason for it. I just don't remember. I think this is actually just faster, to be honest. I don't know for sure. But I'm pretty sure that the rounding works differently depending on... So, okay, whatever. It works in the negative direction. I'm pretty sure the rounding works differently, which is why I did that. I did this before. I'm going based off of code that I wrote a month ago. So, resource packs. I'll do that. I need to make the game first before I can add resource packs and modding and stuff. But this functions, so that makes me happy. So we can move on now. So we did that. So now it works in the negative direction. I think that's actually pretty much it for breaking blocks, right? First time I've ever been able to catch a stream. Hello. It's still flashing. I don't get why. Like, it should be remaking it in the same frame. Oh, because we're setting ready to false. That's why. Add a theme to the I am GUI menu. I'm probably not going to do that because I'm planning on making my own UI system. And before you ask, hey, that seems like a stupid idea, I'm doing it for fun, not because I think it'll be better. But yeah, I'm going to add my own UI system. Alright, so I think that removed the flashing. It was because we were setting it to false. And then it wasn't rendering it because it's being stupid and stuff. So there we go. What's the first ore you're going to add? I mean, technically we already have an ore system. And the first ore is dirt. Let's see if I can find any. I can't. I don't know where the dirt is. But you're just gonna have to trust me. I do have an ore. There it is. Here's some. Like right here. This is the ore system. Is C++ hard to learn? I'm not really sure. I mean, it's not too bad. The hard part is, you can make the I'm GUI window transparent. I thought it was transparent, or at least it used to be. Oh, it is transparent. It's just very dark. But yeah, no, I don't think C++ is too hard to learn. It's just, you got to learn things like references and pointers, and that's kind of the hard part. But other than that, it's not too bad. How do you create the map? All right. So I think the next thing now is going to be adding the ability to place blocks. Wait, why am I able to do this? I can right click to break the blocks as well. I don't remember adding that. I did add that. Wait, why do we have... What is this? Huh? What is going on? Why do we have two of these? Oh no. Do you have any sort of chunk calling? Not really. I mean, I have some stuff. No, you can like disable the background. Oh, okay. What is going on? So, for context, I was tired last night. Okay. When I did a stream, I wasn't really mentally like here. And so I wrote a bunch of code and I don't actually know what I wrote. So we don't look too far into that. But as you can see, I have two of these and this one doesn't even make sense. I don't know why we have just actual chunk. Like, what is this? And then we have an if statement here. Oh no. I don't know what this is, but it also would never get here because if this is true, this is going to be true already. So I don't know what this is, but we're just going to remove that. I don't think that should cause any issues. Okay. Mouse callback. So if it is right now, basically what we're doing is we're doing this, but we can set it to like 1 and then it'll place dirt. Oh, we got a little dementia. Hey, I don't want to talk about it. So now we can replace every block with dirt, including the water, which is interesting. Okay. Clearly, the water system needs to be more robust than what I currently have it, and that kind of annoys me. But we're not going to worry about that right now. One step at a time. So we can replace blocks with dirt, but that's obviously not going to help us too much. Also, I should probably do finished block placing. Do anything. Boop. Alright, and so then we need to do... We need to actually get like a different face. So like for example, what we could do is say -1, this is actually gonna like break everything, but you know, like for example, we just have to like get the block, and like this will work, right? I mean, this only works on one axis right now, but you know, so we have to do stuff like that. Did you drink any alcohol or something while writing that code? I'm not going to disclose any information about substances that I was drinking soda. Trust. It definitely wasn't alcohol. Alright. So now what we need to do is we basically need to get like which face it's placing from. And in order to do that, we're going to pull up math again, and hopefully math doesn't crash the stream again. So for example, right, say we have a block. I don't know why Photoshop is so laggy. I'm about to open Paint. Like, it's like lagging out the stream so hard. Scroll to pick block. I'll do that eventually. So like, here's the plan. Say it hits the block right here, and say it's like really close to this face, and it's like not as far from this face and like this face. So we get the point, and we get the distances between each of the different axes, and then we get whatever the smallest distance is, and we place it in that face. I don't know if that's a good thing, but oh man, don't call Saul Goodman. I got it though. You better call Saul. I actually just finished that show. Info is being forwarded to your personal FBI agent, BRB. Okay, well, I didn't say, like I said, I wasn't drinking alcohol, so I'm not admitting to any crimes here, so I don't know what you're talking about. But it's also, well, yeah. So we need to get dist x is we need an actual type for this. Check task manager. Well, I see. I don't think the task manager. Well, okay. 84% of my memory is being used, but yeah. You get the face by getting the smallest dot product of the cardinal. That's pretty much what well, I don't know what a dot product is. I didn't get that far in linear algebra yet, but basically I'm just gonna add like dist x is equal to well, we need the distance from the center, I guess. Result dot block x plus 0.5f. So this should get the center of the block, and then we got to do minus result dot hit pause dot x. I think this should be the other way around though, right? Check task manager and check what makes the stream laggy. Well, 84% of my memory is being, I think it's probably just my internet though, to be honest. I don't know. Okay, so we get the distance. This also needs to be, well, we'll do that here. If dist x, sorry, absolute value of dist x is, wait. If dist x is less than 0, then we do this, and else we do this. We can get rid of that now. Okay. So if it's less than 0, we need to do it in the negative direction. I'm just making sure I got this right, because I'm not actually good at math. Alright, well, evidently, yeah, I did this the wrong way around. So we got to do result.hitPause.x minus result.that thing. The lag is from Mojang trying to prevent Evan from making a better Minecraft. That is true. Yeah, okay, so now it's going to actually do it on the right faces, right? Which is cool and all. That's good. You gotta do some other stuff though. So we gotta get all the distances here. So we gotta do float dist y, and this is gonna be the same thing, except with y. And then we gotta do dist z, z, z. Okay, so there we go. And then we have to figure out which one's the highest. So we gotta do if absolute value of dist x is greater than the absolute value of dist y, else this is gonna be a mess, but I'll clean it up then at some point. Why is the seed the same? Because I didn't actually make like a seed system. Alright. Then we need to also check if the absolute value of dist x is greater than the absolute value of dist z. If else, then we can do the same thing for this. I know this is bad. I'll get to it eventually. Thousands of subs were fake. Can't open your profile mobile. Tantan, are you... Alright. What are we gonna do here? Update block. Result local block. Oh man. Guys, I'm running out of coffee. I don't know how this works, to be honest. Just came back. Hello, Hit Fusion. Man, I'm like having a stroke right now. I don't know why. My brain is so dead. I need more coffee. Everyone watches Evan these days. I know, I'm such a popular streamer now. Can you use Math Max or something? Probably. So this is basically this, and then we need to just copy and paste this everywhere. This one's gonna be Z though, so this is assuming it's on the Z axis. Oh, I'm an idiot. Give me a minute. Local block -1 +1, and then we can actually copy and paste this here and here. So now if it's Y, then we're gonna do Y -1 +1. Okay. Let's see if this works. I should really add a crosshair. It does. It functions. Look at that. I can add the blocks. That's funny. It loops around like that. That's awesome. Alright, so I can build on the other side of the chunk by doing that, which is really hilarious. We're gonna need to fix that. I know, I'm sorry, it's so illegal for me to drink coffee. I can't be doing that. Hi guys. Hi new people. Alright. So this is, I mean, it is working. I just need to get like the nearby chunks. That's the problem. So what I might do is, oh no. I just realized it's gonna be a lot of things right now. So do you guys wanna, we should redesign the entire planet and chunk system. Also, I called it, okay, the reason it's called planet instead of world is because I was originally not just gonna make a clone of Minecraft. This was originally gonna be like its own thing. And then I decided I'm gonna make a scuffed Minecraft clone. And then I'm going to make a different game that's just a voxel game that's going to contain all the other, like all the unique stuff. But I was originally going to have planets instead of dimensions. But yeah, so that's why it's called Planet. But anyway, we're going to need to like completely redesign this stuff. Wow, sub, keep it up. Thanks, Blocked Man. And in order to do that, we're going to have to, we could do like a bunch of weird things. I don't know. I'll find where you live. Why, what is going on? Sorry, there's a lot of alerts going on in my Discord. I'm not gonna worry about that right now. Could we do lore? Last night was a lore stream. We had like Fingy and we had Butterfly Nebula talking about doing weird things with me. I don't know what was going on that time. Draw.io. Ay. Alright, here we go. We're gonna create a new diagram in draw.io. Create. Oh. Just kidding, guys. We're not gonna do that. Remember, no, I don't want to make it in GitHub. I just want to make it... Why? Stop. Sign out. Change storage. Just do device, please. Thank you. Alright. Why are you like this? I don't care. Just let me make it. Thank you. Okay. Dark. Look at that. Okay, so we're going to need to redesign this entire thing. Make the water darker. I got to make so many things darker. Let's make this blue. I'm going to try and kind of recreate Fox Moss's thing. But here's what we're going to need to do, okay? So, I don't know why I'm making a diagram. I can't make diagrams. I'm, like, so tired still. This is such a bad stream. Alright. So, what I want to do is redesign the planet. So if we actually look at these things right here. So pretty much everything is happening through the chunk right now. So like the chunk stores, obviously the chunk would store all the things for rendering, but the chunk also stores the chunk data, which is a vector for some reason. I don't know why. I'll fix that eventually. We all want to do Evan's laundry. Oh boy. That's totally what they meant. Yeah, I'm sure. Get index. So like the chunk data is being handled in here, and then absolutely everything relating to blocks and updating blocks and everything is like going through here, when really I think it should go through planet, and everything should be handled in the planet. So this is what we're gonna need to draw. What's that? Mountains when? I'll do that when I add biomes. Sorry, I missed that chat. That was a while ago. That was an old chat. Hi, Krongi. Oh wait, were you the person? Hold on. I don't know if you're this person, but earlier I got this thing, like I did the poll for like if I should stream on YouTube. Was this you that asked, do you like your cheese drippy? I don't know what this means. But I thought that was interesting. Bye, New Dare. Bye, New Dare. Sorry. I keep missing chats. Alright. But yeah, no. So I think like what I want to do is actually have, like, we have get chunk in here, but I'd like to do it, make it so that was me. That's funny. I recognize your profile picture and I'm like, wait a minute. So what I want to do is say void get, don't really want to do get block, but I'll do like update block inside of the planet, and then update block. I like my trees drippy, don't you? I don't know what that means. I'm gonna be honest. Int x, int y, int z. So then what we can do is in here, well, I don't know. You know what? No, we're not going to do this yet. I want to redesign this entire system, but we got to do it from the ground up if we're going to do that. Let's just make it work for now. So are you coding C# with opengl? This is C++, but yes. We're going to need to change all of these things, which is really annoying. It's KSIS new Lunchly thing. Ah, interesting. So we have to do if result.local block x -1. Oh wait, you know what? I have a better idea. What if we don't do this, because this is an absolute mess, and we instead just say, why not use a vec3 class? Because memory reasons, but I'm gonna change this entire thing. Now, this is an absolute disaster right now. I'm gonna fix pretty much all of this. I don't code nearly as well on stream as I do off stream, like, because my brain's going through so many different things. So what I'm gonna do, what I usually do is I do the stream, get it to work, and then I make it better off stream. So yeah, result dot, wait, actually, so what I want to do then is say local block x is equal to result.local block x, and then we're going to do the same thing for these. Oops, I just ran it by accident. I didn't mean to do that. Actually, I don't know what I did. There are build errors. Of course there are build errors. Did that nebula person mean by doing someone? I don't understand. Look, this is a family-friendly channel. What's supposed to be? I mean, clearly I didn't do a very good job at that, but we don't talk about it. If it is, oh boy, and we're gonna do local block x is equal to, or yeah, minus minus. That's good, and then we can, that way we don't have to do all this garbage. Plus plus. I can also just do local block x plus equal to dist x1 else minus 1. This, why do I do this? Is less than 0 minus 1 else positive 1. Okay, there we go. This looks this is significantly cleaner than what I was doing before. So we're gonna do this instead. Boop. Boop. Okay. Except I'm getting errors for some reason. Why am I getting errors? Local block Z. We don't have a local block Z. What are you coding? Will you add sound? I will. A struct would be better. That's what I'm planning on. I'm planning on doing a struct. Why is it having a stroke? There is no local block X redefinition. I think it's just, I don't know what it's doing. I think this is a Visual Studio bug. I'm gonna be honest. Alright, so then else this is gonna be Z, this is gonna be Z as well. This is gonna be Y. Whoops. Okay, so now what we can do is say, instead of the if statements, can you do vec sine to get the delta? I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. If local block X is greater than 0. What am I doing? Yeah, if it is, no, sorry. If it is less than 0, we need to get the chunk then. I guess this sucks. Okay, we can do this, and then we'll see what happens here. So this functions, right? We're still gonna have the issue where it doesn't work between chunks, and instead it just, oh, it just worked between chunks. No, it didn't. I'm just stupid. Just creating more unnecessary vtables. I don't know what a vtable is, to be honest. I'm not good at this. Alright. So if we do local block X, what we need to do is we actually need to get the chunk as well. So chunk is equal to result.chunk. But if we do, I guess we do need to do this. Yeah, well, this would be more efficient anyway. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do local block X is, well, we're gonna say if local block X is less than 0, then chunk is chunk is equal to result.chunk, or sorry, to planet. Why don't I have planet here? What is going on? Nope. Get chunk at local block Y, local block Z. and then do, or wait. No. What are we doing here? Result dot block x -1. This is kind of irritating. Sorry, I'm like having a stroke. What I might do a little coffee break. Has it been an hour? It has been an hour. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do, guys. Okay, don't go anywhere. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go grab some more coffee, and then we'll be refreshed. All right. So we'll be good to go. Here, I'll give you something nice to look at though, while we're doing that, and then we'll come back and we'll finish the code. So there we go. You guys can see this lovely little background here. I'll even I messed it up. There we go. There we go. And then we'll do be right back. Oh, great. All right. And then you guys can also listen to music. I'm back. How's it going? Alright. My roommate's playing really loud music in the background. I really hope that doesn't come through on the stream. I'm watching the stream both on Twitch and YouTube. Yeah, more ad revenue. Let's go. No, I'm joking. Alright. Man, I'm like, you're good, man. You're good. Okay. Whew. Yeah, okay. Sorry. Yeah. I needed a bit of a mental reset. We're good now. Alright, let's go back to banger music. It is banger music, but I'm gonna have to stop it. Okay. You guys can't hear like the music that's going on in the background in my microphone, do you? Because I really hope not, because otherwise I'm gonna get copyrighted. Are YouTube fans better though? Ooh, we're gonna start a war now. Alright. Alright, so chunk. So we have this, and then we have to do local block X is equal to planet chunk size. That's what we gotta do. Alright, so then what we're gonna do is say your roommate is not being picked up. Good. Oh, I'm like, oh no, copyright. Oh man. Alright, let's go do this. Alt watching Twitch too. Bet. Okay, I lost so many viewers doing that though. It's kind of funny. When you're adding biomes, so biomes is, well, I'm gonna do some what's that called? Some polls. I did a poll last time that said like, should I do water or interaction, and change to blank on 42, or sorry, 422. Oh. This is why I need the coffee break. Anyway, so I do polls, so that people can pick, and people picked world or block, yeah, whatever, world interaction. So I'll probably do biomes, well, whenever people want biomes, I guess. Whoops, I need to do else if local block X is greater than or equal to planet chunk size. Then we kind of just need to do the same thing, but we need to do +1. Ah, thanks for subbing, Cubing Mike. I think that's YouTube. Oh, thanks for the follow. This needs to be set to 0 then. Okay, so now this should work on the x-axis. Only on the x-axis right now, but it should work on the x-axis. So hopefully, let's see. Let's make sure that works, and then we can go from there. Well, alright. It does look like it's working on the x-axis, though. I don't know what's going on. Alright, well, everything's broken, though. That's the only problem with this. Else? Why did it break? It all broke. It's crazy at the Visual Studio. Speed doesn't pick that up. Yeah, it is kind of weird. Vote for biomes? Okay, well, we'll see. I think I'll do some crazy votes. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Okay. Make it air. Well, we're replacing blocks. Chunk is equal to get chunk, boop-a-de-boop, and then local block X. Okay, so then why is it suddenly not working? Thank you for subscribing, SCP Foundation. It'll just be a warning since the comparison result is left unused. Why is it doing this? What? What is happening right now? Oh no. If it is, this is supposed to be, did I get this wrong maybe? Dist Y, what's the result? I don't know. Local block X, local block Y, local block Z. Else, local block Z, if it is local block Y. Oh, that these are supposed to be less than. Why does Visual Studio do that? Like if you try and do that, it does that. Why does it do that? Why would it do that? These are supposed to be less than. We're supposed to be getting the smallest distance, not the biggest distance here. I don't know why it worked for so long then. Biomes would be cool, yeah. I think I'm doing 2 maps for biomes, humidity, and temperature. Or 1 map. I'm gonna do 2. Okay, well this doesn't work still. What is happening? I should try logging the result, I guess. Thanks for subbing, Harris. ABS. Yeah, whatever. We're gonna see out dist x. People are gonna like riot because I'm using cout instead of printf, but that just makes me want to do it more. Dist z. Boop. Is there some replace air selector or something? I will figure it out. Oh, that's right. You guys can't see this because I have it hidden. All right. The distance. So let me check the distances here. So the distance on the y, distance on the x. Wait, are we facing? Wait, can I see which direction I'm facing? Okay, there we go. Yeah, so we're facing in the x. It does look like it is working, like the actual distance thing here. I can show you here. The distance thing appears to work. Whoa, I can just do that? That's crazy. I didn't know that. Using DirectX. I'm using OpenGL. It's so dark. It's too dark. Top texture of the grass is too dark. People were complaining that it's too bright. Yeah. I'd have to agree, to be honest. Alright. So the distance here is working because I was placing it on the negative x. So this is working. It does need to be... Wait, why would it be the greatest distance? Wait, that would make sense. What am I doing? I'm so bad at programming. I can't program... Like, when I'm live streaming, my brain just doesn't want to function properly. That's my problem. God, I can watch some CPP coders struggle live. Thanks for giving me the opportunity. You're welcome. Wait, now it's just working. Wait, huh? I did not change anything. Nothing changed. What do you mean? Oh, there it goes. It's broken here. Is there something special about this that makes it not work? It'll just be a warning since the comparison result is left unused. Oh, I guess that makes sense actually. All right. So what block is this then that it's not working? 12, 25, -2. Is it because it's negative chunk? Oh, okay. It's more like issues with it being in the negatives. That's why it's not working. So it's not because of the math here. It's because, yeah, negative stuff. Grass. Yeah, I'm gonna do like the color overlays and stuff when I go to add biomes. Ah, that sucks. Is your chat window okay? You're reading chat messages from like 4 minutes ago. I'm reading. I have 4 different chat windows. So I have one for that is just Twitch, and that's probably where you're seeing like me reading really old chat messages. And then I have one for YouTube, and I have one for both, and then I have the one that's showing on the stream. So I have 4. All right. Ooh, that coffee is still pretty hot. It's like burned my mouth. It's slow. I know. Okay, but this does work. We just need to make it work in the negative direction. So, why doesn't it work in the negative direction, though? Probably because planet get chunk. What is this doing here? What is planet get chunk doing? Oh. Ah. So that's it. Okay. Why aren't you using namespace std? Because that is generally not recommended. People kind of tend to tell you not to do that, so I don't do it. Thanks, Siege, for subscribing. Okay. So we need to do. Yeah, we need to actually do like result.chunk. Oh, that's okay. Result.chunk.chunk pause dot not -1. No, not chunk data. I said chunk pause dot x. And this actually is a vec3. Why? Oh no. All right. This code is so bad. We'll figure it out though. Well, I don't know why this was actually functioning this whole time then, because it shouldn't have, but it did anyway for some reason. But now it should be. Now it should actually work the way that it's supposed to, theoretically. Although I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest. So we'll see. No. So that definitely didn't work. Ah, okay. So no, it doesn't. That didn't work. It broke everything again. Where's wood? Wood is on the trees. There's wood. Okay, so we broke everything again, which is fun. Chunk pause, because yes, yeah, that should be what we need to do. Local block X, local block X, local block X. Oh, this needs to be -1. Why you no work? Why does it do that still? Do you use another map for tree gen? Yeah. Live will be saved? Yes. If you mean like VODs, I do have VODs. I have a VODs channel, but I think now that I'm streaming on YouTube, I don't really need that. But yeah. Okay, so. Why aren't you working? Just work. Just work. Function. Do it right now. Work. Please. Wrapping in the wrong direction? It's just not wrapping at all. That's the problem. Positive -1. So yeah, we are doing this and we're doing this, we're doing this. But it just like kind of acts like we're not. Oh, whoops. I see what I'm doing wrong here. I'm not using the right chunk. I'm using result chunk instead of the chunk from the raycast result instead of the chunk from what we're actually doing. Alright, can we it's still not working though. Why? Why is it not working? Are you using opengl? I am. If it is less than 0, planet chunk size, but then we need to set the chunk. The chunk gets set there. Right. You don't seem to like vectors, do you? What do you mean? Hi, Remarch. And this is the Z. Wait, no, wait. Oh, because I've been placing blocks in the wrong direction this entire time. I didn't do the Z direction yet. I figured out why it's not working because I was doing all these changes in the X direction and then I was trying to place blocks in the Z direction. That's what I did. Add ambient occlusion. I've been getting so many comments from people telling me to do that. I definitely do want to. Just, I don't know how to, so. I don't know if you guys would be interested in me doing a live stream where I'm following a guide. If not, I'm probably going to have to do that at some other point. So that was kind of my justification for it. Anyway, it does actually work then. So that's cool. I was like, oh, it doesn't work, but it actually does. It functions. We can do this now. So now let's do this. Okay. So now we ought to do the same thing for all the other axes, which is fun. So we do all this stuff. Then this needs to be -1 here. This needs to be +1 here. And we can get rid of all this. Are you more responsive to YouTube chat or Twitch chat? Both. They both show in the same chat. What tends to happen though is YouTube has a lot more chats, so it kind of floods out Twitch chat oftentimes, but I do look at both separately as well. W finally. I know it took me way too long, but now we got it. After the stream, I can make this work better, by the way. -1, +1. 45 views is kind of nuts. I know, it's kind of crazy. For my first live stream on YouTube, too. Time emoji, loop over the axes. Yeah, I might do something like looping over axes. I don't know what I like. Yeah, we'll figure it out, I'm sure. Alright, so this doesn't work in the wide. Oh, wait, yeah, we're in negative chunk territory now. Let's get into positive chunks here. We gotta stay positive or else it breaks, because I'm bad at programming, don't know what I'm doing. Wait, did it just not update that chunk? Or was I just too close to it? I might have just been too close to it. Why are there so many emojis in my chat all of a sudden? What is going on? Okay, so... Alright, yeah. Alright, well, I mean, this is, like, functioning except for in the negative axis, so... To do that, that's going to be something inside of Raycast, I think. I think that's where that issue is coming from. Positive chunks got chat acting freaky. Where are shadows? We don't have shadows. We have diffuse lighting. That's it right now. Okay, I'll get there eventually. Oh man, this is so bad. Okay. So inside of the raycasting, we need to kind of do this whole thing with this whole thing as well. That was really profound statement. Why does the entire thing colors feel so bright? The colors are bright because I want okay, so like the Minecraft block like grass texture looks like this. This is what it looks like in the files, okay? I didn't recolor this, so I tried to color all of the grass around this. And it's actually darker than the side block. So I could have made it brighter, but that's why it's so bright. So, yeah. Alright, so then get local pause. So this is the part that's breaking right now. Because right now, if we do this math here, right? If we do like a -1, wait here, I can pull this up on like a Desmos calculator, I guess. Open graphing calculator. We don't need a graphing calculator for this, but that's okay. Honestly, 53 viewers is too little for a stream like this. More people should spectate C++ suffering. Yeah, I read that so bad. That's true, I know, right? More people should be watching me suffer right now. I don't know why. I don't know. People need to get to it. Alright, I don't actually want this. I don't want a graphing calculator. I want to do a scientific calculator. Delay test. Okay, here we go. So here's what we're going to do. We got to do... So we say it's like -3 for the result pause. And then we mod that... Oh, nope, that's not modding apparently. 3... Where's modding? How do I do a modulus operator on Desmos? 19-second delay. Minecraft before the complex lighting is just a bright game. Yeah, pretty much. Like Minecraft was really bright, and I just went based off of old Minecraft basically. Is there really no mod? This is so annoying. Okay. Wait. There we go. What are you doing? It doesn't support modulus. Cool. Thanks. A mod B. It just said it doesn't support it. Can I too? No. Why doesn't Desmos support modulus? That's so annoying. Let's just use the Windows calculator. Let's go. This has a 3 mod 32. Sorry, -3. No, stop doing this. -3. Why is -3? What is going on? I don't care. The point is, it's not working. You just type it into the calculator. It's going so well. Oh boy. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do, okay? Mod might be %. I tried % and it said no. There is mod? I don't know where it is. Okay. That's fine. The point is, it doesn't work, so we should make it work. Yes, -3, mod 32 is -3. Yes. Now, here's the problem. So, okay, so... So here, there is a problem somewhere, though, because it doesn't work. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna change this to be... Or wait, was this... Wait, are we actually even saving the local block? Alright, we are. Cool. Local block X. Local block Y. Local block Z. Okay, so now we got that, so we can test it. We can test what it is originally before all the checks, and then we can see if this is actually even correct. 122.17. I don't know if that's right or not. Okay. Evan, you're so cute, baby. What in the world? I got some weird chatters, man. Alright. It doesn't work on this axis. I don't know why. Why doesn't it work in the negatives? Here, that's the question of the day. It actually only works in Z. Why? I don't know who you are. Okay. Mod got still acting up. True. You gotta render the depth and normals. Then for each pixel, you gotta check them to do light. Yeah, doing light. Okay. Thanks for the sub. I don't know how to pronounce that. If stuff is close, make it darker, just like in Minecraft. Yeah, I have to do that. I gotta do that. Is that like a post-processing effect? We do have post-processing already. Alright. And I actually do have a depth test as well. So like, yeah, but I don't know. We'll figure it out. I'll look it up then. I'll probably do that after the stream so you guys don't have to watch me like doing stupid stuff and being dumb. But let's see. So I don't know why this isn't working exactly. When we look at the distances, we have like hit pause minus the block Y ooh. Yeah, so it's probably there. Block pause. Yeah, that's probably why. Oh, thanks for the follow. Neymar J or whatever. I don't know who you are. If you keep doing that, I'm gonna have to mute you. It is post-processing? That's sweet. Can you remake Fortnite? No. Maybe someday, but it'll be far in the future. Okay, so we got to go back to raycast. Its problem with raycasting is because when we're doing, like, we're literally just changing this to an integer. That is the problem here. So we're gonna need to change that. Get block from chunk, and then what we're gonna do is just say get result pause. Evan, you gotta get this mod stuff figured out. Crystal is freaking out. My bad. Alright. Why are you telling me to chill out? YT chat. Dude, my chat is always weird. Because last time I actually had somebody I know. Some girl I know. Making weird comments too, you know? It's just what happens sometimes, I guess. Result plot. Well, we want to make it an integer. In result. Sorry, nope. Block x is equal to result pause dot x is greater than equal to 0. Result pause dot x yeah, just set it to an int. Result pause dot x, that works. And then if it is less than 0, then I think we gotta do result pause dot x minus 1. YZ. I think that probably does it. I don't know. Oh, well, I guess it would help if we actually use these variables, though, to be fair. So now we can replace all of this. Block X, block Y, block Z. I'll make the code efficient after the stream, then. It does work now in the negative axis. That's good stuff. We really need crosshairs because this is incomprehensible. But look at that. It works. We got building. We can build blocks. We can break blocks. We could do so many of the things. Look at that. It works. Let's go. Crystal 8100 sounds like a GPU name. That is true. It's the latest graphics card. This is good. Hey, let's go. 8,100 restraining orders. All right. Cool. It works. We got it. That's good. Now what we got to do is yeah, chat is celebrating. Let's go. Hey, do you guys want to watch ads to celebrate? While I go to the bathroom. Next is biomes. No, next is not biomes. I gotta do a lot of stuff. After stream, you should refactor all of it into help. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna refactor a lot of code after the stream is over. When you make gravity, I'm gonna make like a whole physics system whenever people want it. So basically, what I'm like after each video, I'm gonna release a poll to say, hey, what do you want to do next? So, but yeah, so what should we? You guys can look at this beautiful thing. I'm gonna go to the bathroom, right? And you guys can look at this beauty right here that I have. And then we'll get back. Everyone, bring me with you to... Oh, my word. I think the problem is C++. You got to switch to raw assembly. That is true. I should do that. All right, so yeah, I'm going to go to the bathroom real quick. And I'll be back. You guys can sit here, listen to some banger music, and watch ads. I'll be back. I'm back. How's it going? Woohoo! I'll pay $10 million. Bet. I'll give you this thing for $10 million. All right. All right. What's up? I'm back. All right. We can stop the music now. I know it's banger music, but we do gotta stop it so we can get back to programming. All right. So we got block placing and everything. Guys, we gotta get Evan to add a banger crosshair. Before I add crosshair, I don't know how to do that, so we're gonna do some stuff before then. Oh boy, the chat has 666 views. This is not good. All right, so what I want to do, first of all, we can get rid of the C out here. We don't need to do this as debug stuff. So somebody told me to do a pick block function. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a pick block function right now. Else if button is equal to glfw mouse button. Is there like a middle? Cool. Middle. And action is equal to glfw press. Then we're pretty much just going to do this whole thing again. Except this time, making your own textures. Probably not for this project, unless I get legal issues. Crosshair is just creating another buffer and adding a few points and drawing with GL lines. Fair enough. I could do that, I guess. What I do want to do, I want to actually make a game out of this eventually. But that'll be a little bit in the future. Alright. So then we need to do like a selected block here. So unsigned int selected block is equal to 1. So it's just going to be dirt by default. And then we can just set this down here to say, use selected block. And then right here, where do we have this? Okay, right here then. We're getting the block, right? That's cool, except I'm going to do selected block is equal to result.chunk.get block at pause, result.local block x, result.local block y, and result.local block z. So now we're just straight up getting the block and then setting that to our selected block when we do that. If you ever update chunks, do you plan to use a keep it chunk method? Yeah, I already have a keep it chunk method. So now we should be able to select other blocks. Let's go. Look at that. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. We can place water. That's awesome. Probably need another shader. Yeah, we'll figure it out. But yeah, now we can select blocks with middle click, whatever it's called, the mouse button. So that's cool. I gotta do so much stuff, man. Ooh, caught a stream. Hi, Minecool. How's it going? All right, so now pick block works. That's cool. Let's actually in IMGUI, let's output this block. Yeah, whatever. Selected block D, and then we'll just do selected block. Cool. Floating water blocks look so cursed. Yeah. So now we can actually see what block we have. So that's cool. Can you place flowers anywhere? Yeah, actually we can. This is Minecraft. Now make Mario in your Minecraft clone. I actually kind of thought about making something. What happens if you pick block billboard blocks? Well, that happens. Okay, so here's a problem. There are many problems with this. We'll fix these when we start adding like survival mode elements, I feel. I'm trying to get some major features working first, but there we go. All right, so there's that. Now mine the water. All right, I will mine the water. Are you happy now? The water has been mined. It's so bad. We got a lot of issues. Oh no. Alright. There's that. A flower is not Jesus. How does it not drown? We don't question these things. Translate the selected block into what block you have selected. Can I do that? Are you able to see, like, are you able to translate or like get the name of an enum? Because I feel like that's kind of, I mean, like, unless I make another like array or something, but it'd be cool if I could just do this. Can you make the world explode? I can add explosions eventually. That won't work unless you have a lookup table. Yeah, that's kind of what I figured. Do you have the block names? I only have it in this enum here. I don't have block names anywhere else now. Mapping enum to string. Can you do that? Is that a thing that I can do? Because if so, I'll do that. Enums are just compiled into numbers. That's what I thought. Like I'm pretty sure it literally just replaces it in the code. But I mean, if I can map it to a string, I can do that. Are you gonna add multiplayer? Yes. Eventually. I don't know yet. Well, I don't know when. IDK about C, but Rust has format. Yeah. I don't know. All right. What I'm gonna do. I don't know what to do here. I think I'm. Yeah. Why not? Let's do it. Let's add a. Include unordered map. Let's just do a map because that'll actually no. What am I doing? I'm just kidding. We're not doing that. We're doing an array. Why would I do a map? It's numbers. I'm an idiot. Just have like an array. Yeah. Array of int. This is not how you make. Too few arguments. Yeah. Nobody cares. 15. Expecting an identifier. Block names. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so then we just do air dirt. You've got to be kidding me. You know what? Tell you what. Why did I do? Sorry, I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. That was quite possibly the stupidest code I've ever written in my life. I don't know what that was. Yeah, that is. Yeah, I had a major brain fart right there. I don't. Here's what I'm gonna do. Why don't I just do a char pointer, a const char pointer, or I could just do a string. We could just make it easy and just do include string and just do an std string block name. Why don't I just do that? I think that'll make life a lot easier. Block name. And then we gotta put that here. Why? Okay, why am I doing this like this? Like, why? What am I doing? Trying to make block IDs? I'm trying to just get the name of a block. Okay. Block name, block. This code is so bad. What I'm going to do is someday I'm going to make a stream. I'm going to do a stream where I just rewrite the entire project from the ground up. Because this is horrible. Okay, so now we can do air. Dirt. Why do you have an error? Just stop having errors, please. Thank you. Okay. Grass. Block. Stone. Log. More efficient than MC's code. Not really. Leaves. Grass. Sand have physics. I'll do that eventually. Tall grass. Bottom. Tall grass. Top. You guys are probably going to complain about everything that is currently happening right now, but that's okay. We can do... These are all tulips, so we can do efficient stuff right there. Look at that. Orange. Pink. Cope with the awful syntax. Hey, I don't know how to program. Water. Sand. Can you make a text engine when you finish polishing the game? Sure, why not? True. I missed this. Was an old chat from a while ago, but somebody said, "Can't wait to see a 5-hour stream." Yeah, that is true. That is what the stream is gonna be like when I go to refactor everything. But yeah. All right, there we go. So now we have the names. This is so. Hold on. Let me fix the comments real quick. Boop 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 boop. This is bothering me. Everything about this is just terrible, to be honest. Rewrite build system with CMake. I think there's CMake support now. Foxmoss and FintFC from my Discord made CMake support. So it should work. I gotta learn how to actually use that, but yeah. So if we do blocks, the blocks selected block dot block name, and then is S for string? How do people not use Vim motions to change repeating code? I don't know. I don't know what Vim motions is. There we go. Okay, there we go. That works. So we can now see the name of the block. It's kind of small though, but yeah. Oh, well. This one doesn't work though. It's FC. It's not, it's MC. Okay. The guy in the Discord channel is Fint FC instead of MC, so yeah. Or no, yeah, no, yeah, sorry. Fint MC. Yeah, you're right. I'm an idiot. Yep. Oh wait, that is you. I don't know what I'm talking. Look, I'm tired or something. I can try to come up with excuses. Fint MC. Yes. Sorry. It does work, except this one, I think I might have missed one. It doesn't work with these. I don't know why. Let's do a clean build and see if it just kind of broke a little. That me, yeah. I feel so honored. You had a recommendation of mine. Question mark G question mark is my favorite Minecraft block. Me too. Okay, waterworks, grass. Why is it broken? What is the tall grass? Just question mark, question mark, question mark. Make MC in one HTML file. No. Why does it not work with the bottom? With the tall grass bottom? I don't get it. Make Minecraft in File Explorer. I kind of thought about just like learning a whole bunch of game engines and programming languages, and then just making Minecraft in all of them. Like some people were suggesting, what is that one called? The one that like everyone talks about now. Godot. I thought about learning Godot, and by making a Minecraft clone, like doing a stream where I just use Godot for the first time. I could make it in Scratch. No, that's a terrible idea. I'm not gonna do that. Can it not have space? It can. The top ones work. That has a space. But the bottom ones don't. It just has question marks. I don't know why. Is it too long? Surely not. Uh-oh. Give me a minute. This is my least favorite Visual Studio bug. It sucks. But, you know, I thought about doing, like, learning Unreal and Godot and just by making Minecraft clones in it. I can just milk this series to no end. No, yeah, it is because of the length. The length of it is too long, so it doesn't work. How does that make sense? You should honestly just make your own graphics library, own engine, own programming language, and then make Minecraft. I should do that. That would be fantastic. Are we like legally able to make a graphics library without like for the, okay, because the graphics library has to be on the GPU. So I don't know if that works that way, but yeah. So why does this have a max length? why is it so short? See, what I'm gonna do fonts just like pixels. I don't know. Well, I guess we'll just call it tall grass bot. It's a bot. It's a robot. How did you learn CPP this good? I'm not good at it. That's how. I'm learning over time. Basically, as I make new things, I just learn how to do different things. Oh, and now we have builder errors. You're not legally able to make graphics library. That sucks. Make your own GPU then. I should do that. I should make my own GPU. There you go. To be honest, game engines are not great for making voxel-based sandbox games. I agree. That's actually why I decided to use C++. Just make your own GPU and even CPU. All right, I'll do that. Don't worry. I'll make it Xvidea instead of NVIDIA. Yeah, drivers on the GPU. That's a problem. Oh. All right. So that's Minecraft. That's what I remember Minecraft looking like. There are so many things that we need to do before we can make falling sand. But it will happen eventually. All right. But that's world interaction. Now, there are a few more things that I want to add. Such as a crosshair. I want to add a crosshair. I want to also add, like, you making it so you can, well, right now scrolling changes the speed, but I want to make it so you can, like, select different blocks without having to do pick block. And then I also want to do, what else do I want to do? Oh, I want to make it so that, like, it highlights outlines the block that you are looking at. WSAL already sounds like a crappy architecture. I mean, WSAL stands for We Suck at Life, so yeah. And anything for falling sand. Yeah, you see, here's the thing. What I want to do, we got to add physics before we add falling sand. Physics, we're going to add entities. And then we're going to do make biomes in a future stream. I'm planning on doing that. Recreate Terraria. I was thinking about that. I might do a stream about recreating Terraria if people want to see it. I just didn't know if people would want to see it because of the fact that, like, I'm already doing Minecraft. But I don't know. If people are interested, I'll definitely do that because I wanted to do that so bad. But anyways, yeah, so we got to do entities and then we got to do block updates and then we can do falling sand. But that's going to be a little while. The other compilers break too, having to rebuild. MSVC is way more buggy. Yeah, I don't know. VS Code. I was thinking about trying VS Code. Did you fix building negative coordinates? Yes, I did. See, it works perfectly fine now. Everything's working. We have building. I don't know. I think I might leave it there for this stream. I don't know. WSAL Evan. Yeah, sorry. WSAL obviously stands for Windows Subsystem for Arch Linux. That's definitely what that means, yeah. By the way, how are you registering all those faces to render / not render? When I'm generating the chunk, it only adds faces to the vector if it's there. Oh, that's another one. Okay, that's another thing that I want to do. You should mix Terraria and Minecraft. I'm planning on making a voxel game. Once I get this to a good point, I'm planning on making a voxel game where it has where it's 3D like this, but it has a playstyle like Terraria. That's actually what I want to do. That's like my dream game. That's what I want to make. But I'm not quite there yet. So that's kind of why I'm doing Scuffed Minecraft, is to learn C++ and to learn kind of like methods of making voxel games, because like the code is awful because of the fact that I don't really know what I'm doing. So that's why I want to do that. So that's why I'm doing this. But yeah, that is the goal. Make Minecraft and Minecraft and Minecraft and Minecraft and Windows 98. I'm gonna make C++ in Minecraft and then make a C++ compiler. People have already made computers in Minecraft with like binary coding. I'm gonna make assembly and then I'm gonna make C++. We're gonna do that right now. Add players. Look, we're a few steps behind there. I'm gonna add a player sort of when I add physics. That's gonna be when we no longer have this terrible camera here. So this is gonna end when I have physics, and then it's gonna be a lot more like Minecraft, but it's gonna be a little while before I get that far. And so many people have been requesting biomes that I might do biomes next. I don't know yet. Well, I'll do a poll and we'll see. But yeah, watching this on Arch, by the way, that's pretty great. I don't know what to say. But yeah, I don't know. I'm pretty happy with how this is going so far, though. But yeah, no. That's cool. I don't think GUI even exists. Well, we'll figure it out. Keep that camera for spectator mode. I'm gonna change it for spectator mode, but I am gonna make like a debug camera when I add physics. That'll be completely separate from the player. Remake computers, then install Windows 11 in Minecraft. Oh boy. I think you need to work on the lighting. I do need to work on the lighting. That is definitely something I need to do. But yeah, good stream. Thanks, Foxmoss. Can you walk? No, but you can fly. I'm gonna add all this stuff eventually, don't worry. What is happening over here? Okay. What is this water? Oh, because this is like a lake, but yeah, I messed it all up. It's fine. Cool. Minecraft. Yeah. Okay. So I think we're pretty much good now. So what I'm probably gonna do, I'm probably gonna end the stream now, I think. And next time I can start to add some of these extra features and stuff. So, can you fly slower? Yeah, you can adjust the speed with this mouse scroll wheel. Debug camera, let's go. Or for debug. Yeah. So, yeah, but yeah, the water moves. I know it flows. We got like shaders and stuff, man. I don't know. I'm pretty happy with this, honestly. Add night. Yeah, I'm gonna add lighting first, and then I'll add night. All right. Yeah. See you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna end the stream. And then I'll do a stream probably on Monday. We'll see what happens. So yeah. But yeah, thank you all guys so much for watching. Patreon members get early access to code. Everybody else gets access to code when the video releases. I know. I need to end it though, because I actually have a lot of work to do and I gotta go shopping and probably get a haircut too, so yeah. It looks like Minecraft on a calculator. But yeah. Alright. See you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Amazing. Thank you, Fint. Thank you. Don't go. I'm sorry. I have to go. I have things to do. Oh man. Oh, I messed it up. Yeah. Alright. See you guys. Here, I can play. Okay. You guys can give me money if you want. I'm gonna play an ad while it ends. No, I'm joking. Well, I'm not. It'll be so funny though. All right. Yeah. See you guys. Bye. Bye, Neptune. Bye. You hate to see it. Any of you guys YouTube Premium? Oh man. Yeah. I'm happy. All right. That was a good stream. Yeah, see you guys. Bye Damien, bye Nefel, however you pronounce that, I don't know. Bye Fint, bye guys. Can't wait to buy Minecraft on stream or on Steam. Yeah. Bye Hit Fusion. Bye guys. My ad was skippable. Oh yeah, look at that. Ad block. Oh, true. All right, cool. Buy second Mojang. Buy Artem, whatever. Yeah. Please stop spamming Chadius. See it tilts. What is looking clean? All right. Yeah. See you guys. All right.